Hello WordPress nerds. So today I'm gonna show you the plugin which we can use for taking a backup and restoring a backup. Also we can use that plugin to migrate your website from one server to another server. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to take backup and we will migrate the site from server to my local host using that created backup. And the plugin I'm going to talk about is backup migration. That is the plugin and it is free. So if you can go to WordPress repo, this is the plugin which is available for free. So uh, it is from company called INI Save. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the company name properly or not. If somebody is watching from the company, please correct me in the comment section. And yeah, so now I'm gonna use this plugin to back up a site and then I will migrate that site to my local server. So it is really simple and easy to test this plugin. They have provided this link where they can provide a WordPress environment and there we can test this plugin. So I'm gonna click this link and now let's wait for the magic. It will create a WordPress site for us. Tada! Our site is ready and the good part is it gives 8 hours testing. So now before creating a backup, I'm gonna go ahead into plugin section. We will see the list of plugins we already have. So we have this 4 plugins and now I'm gonna add one more plugin so that we can test the migration properly. And I'm gonna install a plugin called comment mention. So let's install this plugin and yeah, that is my plugin. So activate it and now let's refresh the page and in the left menu we see the setting from comment mention. So what I'm gonna do is I will save some setting over here and when we migrate this site to our local host then we will check the same setting over there. So this is how we can confirm if the migration is done properly or not. So I will select subscriber and over here I will select administrator, enable email and I will save changes. Also let's see what is there in the front side. So currently there is only one sample page as a menu. So now let's add a menu. So I will add a couple of links over there. So sample page and then navigation. Now let's add one more page or let's add search over here and that's it, one search and one link. Now let's view the site and here we have a sample page and a search over here. Now let's get back to the backend. So we have made two changes. One, installed my plugin and added a search page, search form in the navigation. Now let's go to this section called backup migration, and simply click on create backup now. So based on the selection, we have this number, this much data it is going to back up. So now let's create the backup. So I like the way they are displaying the process, and it is not like visual representation, it is actually displaying what they are doing. So now our backup is ready. If I copy this link and if I try to access this, it will download the zip file. So I'm gonna download it, and moreover, let me get rid of this. Moreover, I will keep this tab as it is. Now I'm gonna migrate this site on my local server. So for that, first of all, let me quickly create a dev site, local site. So I will quickly create my local site. I will say no. So this is my site URL. So I'm gonna open the site over here. Let's log into site. So now in order to migrate this data or this site, we have to install their plugin on this site. So we will install their plugin on our local site, which is this backup migration. So this is a fresh WordPress site, and on that site I'm gonna install the same plugin. Here is the plugin. Let's activate the plugin. So plugin is activated. Refresh the page now. Meanwhile, okay, I will show it later. Let's skip this for now. Now on this site, we want to go to the manager and restore backup. So here we have this section called super quick migration. So if we click on this, we can see that we have to provide some kind of URL over here, which is nothing but the URL generated over here. So I'm gonna copy this. So now it is copied, and I will simply paste that link over here and I will click restore now, and it will ask for some confirmation because it is going to replace all the files, database, folders. So yeah, just click on start restoring, and now we have to sit back and relax. It will take some time, so meanwhile it is migrating the site to my local site. I'm gonna go to their site. I will close this, and here we will go to manage and restore backup section, and here we have a list of migration, list of backups we can have on the site, and we can restore specific backup as well. So now let's try to confirm the restoring. So again, I'm gonna go to comment mention, and I will uncheck this administrator and enable email, and I will save the change. And now I'm gonna apply that backup, so it should reset these checkboxes. So I'm gonna go to backup migration. Here it is completed 17%. So in here I will go to manage and restore backups, and now I will restore the taken backup. So I will restore it, and it will again ask for the confirmation, and let's start the restoring process. So now it is again going to take some time. Meanwhile, we will check our progress over here. So it is now 24% done. I think here it is going to be the same process. One thing we need to take care of, that we don't need to close the tabs or window during this process. So restoration has been successfully done, and I will click this option. So it is just asking whether we need to enable the automatic backup or not, so I just skip it. Now let's go to comment mention section, and here you can see that these checkboxes are back. So that means this migration restoration process worked really nice. So here in our local host, the migration is still continue. So now we will wait for the migration. So our site is now migrated, and I'm gonna select this option, don't switch automatic backup, and close this pop-up. Okay, now let's confirm our changes we made on the demo site. So first we will go to this comment mention section, and here our all checks are there, and in front side it should be the search form in the navigation bar. So yeah, this is how it works, the backup migration plugin. So it is really simple. You don't need to have any server access or something. You just need to have an administrator access for both the target site and source site, and that's all. So if you have any doubt question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Let's talk about the limitation of this free plugin. So this is free plugin and it is providing more than free, but there is a limitation. It can back up of 2 GB in size only for the free version, and if you want to have the unlimited sizes, then you should consider buying their premium plugin, and their link is over here. So this is the limitation in the free plugin.